Hey everybody, wow, I just got off a programming call. I announced a new feature that was going to be coming, with the beta group, right? Well, my programmer hits me up out of the blue and shows me a whole other feature that's not even the feature I'm talking about, which is crazy. Okay, a lot of you ask for a lot of stuff, right? When it comes to building pages and doing this and doing that and having functionality of pages and all these kind of questions, right? Well, I'm mind blown right now because my programmer, we're actually setting up the pages and they're going to work a little bit different than they do now, which means I'm going to have to redo a ton of training videos. But imagine, one of the things a lot of people asked for was changing colors of certain words, right? Well, that's coming, all right, where you're going to be able to make one word a different color if you want to. I don't think it's needed. I never used it, but if you need that, you think that's going to be hot, that's one of the features. But that's not even it. Imagine if on the capture page, that there's going to be a menu where you could drag text over to it. So if you want to make it look more like a website, you can. You can actually grab text, drag and drop it right onto the page. So you can have more text on the page. Get this. Now, a lot of people have asked, can I add pictures into my pages? You know, you want to add a picture of a product or anything like that. You're going to be able to go drag it over and say, okay, I want a picture right here, and be able to drag and put a picture right on your capture or landing page. How about that? On top of that, how would you like to even add YouTube videos even on non-video landing pages? You want extra videos, you're going to be able to drag over and say, I want a YouTube video. Okay, you're going to be able to add, bigger text, smaller text, all the kind of stuff. So everything that's on our landing page builders and capture page builders right now is all going to stay. All the cool stuff that we already give you is all going to stay, right? None of it's going to change, except we're going to give you so much customability that it is absolutely mind-blowing the stuff that you're going to be able to do on our pages, and it's all drag and drop. So there's no technical skill still, which is huge because we want to make it easy. We're not HTMLers. People that don't want to get into code, that is not what we do. We want your pages to look outstanding, look awesome, but the functionality is saying, okay, I want some text over here, drag and drop with your mouse. I want a picture right here, drag and drop with your mouse. Okay, edit all this kind of crazy stuff. Okay, now that being said, whew, man, this is a crazy announcement right here. This is huge. But he said it's going to be like at least another week, maybe a week and a half before he launches. He shows me he's going to, has to work all the bugs out. He has to make sure it works. Works with the share code pages, work with older pages, work with newer pages, all that kind of stuff. So this is a ton of programming, custom built programming. My programmer is an absolute rock star. He's not only my programmer, he's my business partner. An absolute rock star. The guy can do anything. And so what's always crazy is I always tell him what the field wants, and I'm like, well, it would be cool if we could do this. It'd be cool if we could do this. And then when he shows it to me, it's always way better than what I could even imagine. I'm like, can we just do the text? He's like, not only can we do that, but we could drag text, we could add pictures, we could do this, we could do that. And I'm like, mind blown. So that is going to just kill the industry. No one has all this stuff that just could be put in like this. So here's what I suggest. Okay, considering we're going to be bringing out two major announcements. Be glad you have a place right now, and you should be driving as many free trials into the conversion process as possible. Because when we launch this stuff, you're going to want to have them in here, right? Because you're not going to want to get left on the wayside after we launch this stuff, okay? It's crazy. Go get as many people in this thing for free. I'm telling you, when they see all this, they are going to not wait to upgrade, okay? Also, that being said, too, I posted a really cool video today where some people have posted some of the money they made. I made that into a cool little video you guys can use, and you can throw that all over the place. It's in this Facebook group. If you search through the group, you'll find it. I even went and built a page, gave you the share code. There's nothing that you have to build. Everything's already done. Okay, so go use that. But whoa, this is a huge, huge announcement. I am super excited and stoked about that. All right, everybody. Talk to you later.